Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Nick the Kid here with another market update. So today is October 7th, 2022, and again, we had a market crash. Market totally got devastated today, down over 3%. It's crazy. A lot of volatility going on right now. We're just crashing, crashing, crashing. And the Fed is trying to figure out what to do and how to fix this. For right now, what I'm doing, I'm staying put with my investments and I'm just continuing to add shares to my companies and continuing to keep putting money in my 401k every paycheck. I'm not moving it, and I'm just staying focused, staying positive, and this market will eventually turn around. I don't know when. Could be 3 months, 4 months, could be right around the corner. I'm hopeful that it's probably going to be, I would say, probably early December before we really start to see major moves with the markets. But I think probably mid to late November, we're going to start to see some shifts. But you never know. I mean, it could be very quick and rapid right around the corner. And if that's the case, right now is going to be the continued additional time for you to be able to stock up as much cash right now to dump into the markets for the next 2.5, 3 months. I think that's really our wiggle room right now that we have, but I think, like I said, right around the late November, mid December time, I think that's when markets are really going to start making a big shift in the other direction. So, we have just this handful of months here that I think that we have the biggest opportunity. And like I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched my other video, check it out. But for us young people, like my generation right now, of people who are in their 30s, 20s, and 30s, honestly, this is our best opportunity of our literally of our generation. I feel, to be honest, I think we're not going to have a major crash like this for probably another 8 or 9 years, maybe even 10 years, as bad of a crash as we've had. I mean, think about it. We haven't had anything like this really since all of the numbers and stuff, the data points that we have going on right now, really haven't had any of this kind of craziness really since the 70s. And, as far as like the '08, '09 crash that we had, we're we're pretty close to that. I mean, as in terms of the time span of how drastic of a fall that we've had. So, anyway, those are my thoughts and my input about the markets right now. Like I said, we'll see what happens in the news the next coming weeks here, but right around the corner in about 2 weeks, we're gonna have a lot of information coming out and a lot of earnings reports coming out. So, and we have the holidays coming around the corner, so everybody's going to be hustling and bustling with shopping and all of that. So, I think the first and second quarter into the new year, I think, are going to be much better numbers than a lot of people are anticipating. And like I said, I think that's going to be a good shift into the overflow of the new year. We'll really see how all of that pans out, but I'm positive. I'm on the positive side of things, to be honest. It's just when. When is that shift going to happen? And as I'm preparing for that shift, I'm buying incrementally into my positions and I'm consistently automatically contributing to my 401k. And so that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. And again, like I said, I don't know how long that this crash is going to happen, but if it keeps falling, so be it. That's all there is to it. And you've got to know what strategy you're willing to take, what route you're willing to take, and what amount of risk that you can handle. Right now, I'm happy either way. I'm happy if it goes down because I could buy cheaper, and I'm happy if it goes up because then we're all making money, right? So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for future videos. Like I said, I'm going to be posting an updated Friday market video every Friday. So stay tuned, guys. And just like I said, best of luck with everything, with what choice that you make. It's on you. Do your own due diligence and research. These are just my tips and ideas. And I'm considering about doing a video soon about a particular stock, individual stock that I have that I've been buying more into positions on. Is a hydrogen fuel cell company called Ballard Power Systems. So that's what I'm heavily invested in, to be honest, and I'm bullish on it for the next 3 to 5 years. So we'll see. All right, anyway, thanks for watching, and play it safe out there, and just play with what risk you're willing to take. All right, guys, happy investing.